An art exhibition titled Foreign Artists in Chengdu and Chongqing is being held in southwest China's Chongqing municipality. The exhibition showcases artworks by artists from the UK, the Netherlands, Germany and Armenia. The 5 artists have been living in Chongqing and Chengdu, southwest China's Sichuan province for many years. They bring 61 artworks which were created based on their life experience in China.
Of course, I know Shanghai very well, Disney very well. I was many times, maybe 5, 6 times, and I was really impressed by these old artifacts, and they were really great. They impressed me very much. And this tree was, for me, really like a favorite one. And I tried to imagine how this tree was imagined by those people who created that. And so I painted that tree in a way like it's connecting the earth and heaven together, and giving the people like a message from the heaven through the birds, how to live, how to work better.
When one begins a painting or contemplates beginning a painting, I think you yourself need to be in the right space to feel as though you want to dedicate some time to something like that. But you also need some ideas as well. And I think in the last couple of years in Chongqing, it's given me both of those things. And Chongqing's got lots of things which I'm interested in painting, whether it's Nanshan looking into the city, or the clouds on the river, or Dasu Shikhe, or whatever it might be.
I usually use a map for my work because that's a connection that I have with where I'm going to live and the people I'm meeting. So I try to find the culture heritage of each city, and I try to bring it into my paintings. And I try to see how society lives and how I can connect.
The 9-day exhibition will run until June 18th.